If you had a stop loss, you were probably shaken out and you're locked out because you could not buy back in. That's why I believe stop losses are not efficient and not effective for your favorite investments. If you have a stop loss, that means you are scared and that means you are not invested for the long term. Truly, if you have a stop loss right now, that means your investment is not an investment. You're trying to trade it. It's as simple as that. Truly, it's as simple as that. So me personally, I do not have any stop losses. Did you buy the dip? We had a 70% plus discount almost on our favorite investments. And if you did not take advantage of that huge sale, then I don't know what you were doing. I truly don't. You probably think that it's going to keep dipping and dipping and dipping, but eventually today could have been the reversal. We yesterday could have seen the worst of things, and from now on we might just keep going up and up and up. And everyone, before we continue, smash the like button. Just tap it real quick, pause this video so you can have enough time to just smash it. Absolutely show your support for this channel, because I try to be as honest and transparent with you all as possible. I truly believe like I have nothing to hide. One thing is, I've not sold a single token whatsoever. Some of you want me to disclose how much I have in my investment portfolio, but honestly, I don't want to do that, because to you, it might seem like I'm bragging, or to you, it might seem like I have nothing whatsoever. So I don't want to be on either side. I don't want to seem like I'm big-headed and oh, look at this guy, he's trying to brag about how much he has. But then also some of you might be thinking, wow, this person really doesn't have that much, so why would I listen to him? So the point of this channel, the point of me being here and trying to provide you value is exactly that. I want to provide you value and clarity and try to help you navigate what's going on in the crypto world, and then you either like it or you don't. So that is what I'm offering to you, valuable information, hopefully to help you through these volatile times. And if you appreciate it, again, just tap the like button real quick. I'll wait. Did you tap the like button? I'm talking to you directly right now. Make sure you do. And let's just keep going. Oh, and subscribe if you have not yet already, because a lot of you watching are not subscribed. So make sure you join the journey, because we still have a long way to go. The bull run is not done whatsoever. This most recent dip is actually making me more comfortable that we have another 6 months left at least. I was thinking that, hey, the bull run might end early because we were going up and up and up and up and up. We were not stopping. So I was thinking, wow, maybe the bull run will end much sooner than people think. But this dip has solidified to me that we could be in a healthy bull run, that dips are normal, and this could have scared out all of the short-term investors, and in 6 months we will see who is laughing. So again, if you want to join us, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss a journey. I bring y'all videos every single day. This is the daily Mr. Muflih Crypto Show. Daily I bring you videos and try to add you value and update you what's going on my favorite investments and your favorite investments. So join us, subscribe, share, like, do those things, and let's keep going. And yes, some of you in the comment section have told me that, Mr. Muflih, why did you not tell your audience members that, hey, we might come through a crash a couple weeks ago in mid-April? Like, why did you not tell your audience members, you watching, that, hey, you should probably be wary because in the next couple weeks, in the next month, everything might crash? Well, I have a simple answer to that. First of all, yes, I almost always tell you that you never know. It could go down, it could go up the very next day. Nobody knows. I probably say that in every single video of mine. So that's number one. Number two, no one can predict the future. And let's take Amazon.com as an example. We all believe that cryptocurrency is the future, that the biggest companies in the world will stem from cryptocurrency. And if we are correct, let's take Amazon as an example real quick. In 1998, it went up over 1,000%, about 1,800%, from $4 to over $90 in a single year, which is incredible returns. But what happened after that? It literally went down from $90 to back down to less than $10. It lost about 92, 95%. And that's not an exaggeration. This is literally statistics in front of our faces. But who cares? Because in the next couple of years, it literally just stabilized, and then it picked up, and it kept going, and it kept going, and it kept going, and it did not stop. It did not stop whatsoever. So who really cares if you bought at $100 or $5? Nobody really cares, because right now, that's nothing compared to where we're sitting at right now. You could time it all you want, and bravo to you if you were able to time this previous crash perfectly. Bravo to you. Congratulations. But honestly, the average person will either miss out on the big pump and then they will not buy back in, or if they do buy back in, it's at a higher price. So why are you trying to time it? There is no reason why you should try to time your favorite investments. And that literally, it does not just apply to my favorite investments. Yes, I'm a little bit biased because I truly believe that these Hedera Hashgraph, Singularity Net, Space Chain, QuantStamp, and Stellar Lumens and Ripple, I believe that they can be the future, and that's why I have my own money invested in them. But you watching, if you're invested in something else that you truly believe in, do not try to time things, because Amazon is a perfect example. We can look at Apple, we can look at Google, we can look at Tesla, we can look at some of the top companies in the world, and you'll find the exact same thing with them. Volatility exists in every single market, not just cryptocurrency. If the stock market could drop 90% in the 2000 bubble crash, then anything is possible. This, what we've seen in the crypto market the past couple of weeks, is normal. It truly is normal, because last year we're up way further than we were last year. We're up about 1,000% for almost every single cryptocurrency that you can find in the crypto market. Let's take Bitcoin, for example. It's up about 1,000%. Ethereum, over 1,000%. Binance, same thing. Cardano, same thing. Ripple XRP, Dogecoin, Polkadot, Bitcoin Cash. Like, all of these cryptocurrencies are up tremendously from last year. So a dip, some type of pullback should be normal. But now, a question to you. Did you buy the dip? Did you? Or are you waiting? Because me personally, I think that the dip is over. Seeing a $30,000 Bitcoin means that yes, we might come down in the next day or two just to consolidate one more time and then go up. That's very possible, yes. But me personally, I believe that the worst is over, and that is something that you should look forward to as an investor. You should hopefully have taken advantage of that 60-70% discount, because that's huge. Imagine going to the store and buying a brand new Escalade or Mercedes for 70% off. Instead of 100,000, you will pay only 30,000 for a brand new 2022 Mercedes. Would you be happy with that? I'm pretty sure most of you watching would probably take that, because it's a huge sale. And this, what we're seeing, is the exact same thing. Hopefully you took advantage of it. There are a lot of good news today that, for example, Bitcoin is back basically to where it was. A Chinese Bitcoin mining company is about to invest $25 million in a new facility in Texas, where I'm recording this video from. In Texas, a Chinese company wants to open up a mining facility. And that's totally contradicting to what we heard yesterday, that China wants to ban cryptocurrency, that China is done with cryptocurrency. This is a complete opposite. So what we heard yesterday was FUD. It was complete FUD to scare out people. And people like you on normal exchanges trying to buy, you were locked out. You were not able to buy because many of the exchanges were down. So think about who was buying. Probably the whales who have more resources, who already had orders in to buy at a lower price. They probably bought the discount, but us normal people, if you had a stop loss, you were probably shaken out and you're locked out because you could not buy back in. That's why I believe stop losses are not efficient and not effective for your favorite investments. If you have a stop loss, that means you are scared, and that means you are not invested for the long term. Truly, if you have a stop loss right now, that means your investment is not an investment. You're trying to trade it. It's as simple as that. Truly, it's as simple as that. So me personally, I do not have any stop losses And yes, some of you might think that's silly, like why don't you have a stop loss? But it's, again, because I truly believe I'm invested in the next Apple, in the next Amazon, in the next Google, Facebook. I'm invested in the next $1 trillion plus companies with Hedera Hashgraph, Space Chain, Singularity Net. So I don't care if it goes down 50%. I truly am happy. I really do not care. And that's how you should be too. The U.S. Treasury calls for some regulations, cool. But yeah, Chainlink joins Hedera Hashgraph as a new governing council member, and this is the first cryptocurrency oracle to join Hedera Hashgraph, because we've been adding just corporations and conglomerates this whole time. But it's nice to see that Hedera Hashgraph is also working with some cryptocurrencies. That's very nice. There is a lot of other good news today, like people are more bullish, and it seems like we are out of this rut. So again, question to you, did you buy the dip? Hopefully you did, and if you did, smash the like button, leave a like real quick down below. The point of this video is simple. It's, did you buy the dip, and do not get scared. Those two things are the point of this video. Hopefully you get it, you get the message. And again, show your support by just tapping the like button real quick. It's right down below underneath this video. Do it for me and for you, so more people can also see this and invest in your favorite cryptocurrencies. Again, this is Mr. Mufleh. I hope you all have an amazing day, and until next time, you know what it is. Mr. Mufleh out.